if you're having problems with your printer, like you have your printer plugged into your computer and it's just not showing up on your list of printers when you go to print your document, so like this list here, it's not showing up there, or the computer is not recognizing it and it's showing up on your list of plugged in devices as an unspecified device, like here my printer is the HP laserjet 1018 and I have it plugged in via USB, but you see it's showing up on this list as an unspecified computer. I tried all the stuff I could read up on the internet and none of it worked, so I tried something else and maybe this might work for you as well. So I'm just gonna run you through what I did. So what I'm gonna have you do is go to right here on the Windows Start button and just type in Control Panel. And what you want to do is you want to open your Control Panel, and right here you want to click on the option that says Devices and Printers. So find Devices and Printers and click on that, and right here at the top you see there's a list and your printer shows as an unspecified device. Just ignore that for now, just click on the top, this option that says Add a Printer. Alright, so this pops up, and what you want to do is click the option at the bottom here that says the printer that I want isn't listed. Right, once you click that, click the last option here which says add a local printer or network printer with manual settings. So click on that and then click the next button, right? And then you see this option that says use an existing port. Click on this drop down menu list, and if you have it plugged in via USB, so look for the option that says USB. For me, the option that says USB is the one here at the bottom. You can see USB 001. So I'm going to click on that, and then I'm going to click next, and then here I have a list of that pops up, right? So to install the printer driver, so I have a list of manufacturers, and once I click on the manufacturer I get a list of drivers or certificates that I need to install. So before you do that, what you should do is click this button that says Windows Update, and basically what it does is it's gonna check and update your list of manufacturers and your list of drivers and certificates for the different manufacturers. So once you have clicked the Windows Update, this takes a while, so just have a bit patience. Once the update is done, just look for the name of the manufacturer of your printer. So for me it's gonna be HP, so I click on HP, and then I click on HP here at the left, and then I look to the right for the exact name of my printer, and mine is the HP laserjet 1018. So then I select that and then I click next. But before that, I'm gonna go back one step. If your printer doesn't show up on the list, so for example you have the, let's say for example your printer is the 1019 and here it's only a 1018 and a 1020, then just select 1020 and click next. Okay, and then it's gonna ask you which version of the drivers you want to use, so just click use the driver that is currently installed and click next. All right, so right here, so if your printer is the 1019 not the 1020, you can just change the name here. So for example I had selected 1020 in the previous list, but my printer is the 1018, so I'm just gonna change this 20 to an 18, right? And then I'm gonna click next. Then it's gonna say installing drivers, and then it's gonna ask me about sharing. I do not want to share this printer on the network, so I'm just gonna leave it as it is, do not share this printer, and click next. And your printer has been successfully added, laserjet 18. So now I'm gonna print a test page just to see if it works. And if you can hear it in the background, my printer just started up and it's printing. So now I'm gonna click close and click finish. So now you saw automatically on this list my printer just showed up, HP laserjet 1018. So it shows up here and it's marked as green. However, it still also shows up as an unspecified device. Just ignore that, it's gonna work. So let's go now to Microsoft Word and check our list of printers if it's available, and you'll see it's automatically found it, HP laserjet 1018 ready. So yeah, that's exactly what I did. Maybe this works for you, maybe not. Let me know if it works, let me know if it doesn't, and drop some comments if you found some other methods of dealing with this problem. Thanks, I appreciate it. Like, subscribe if you want. Don't, it's cool. Have fun. Bye.